Here I've got Huawei P Smart Pro, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So you have two possibilities. Let's start with the first method. You have to open the phone dealer and then enter a secret code, which is *#06#. And that's it. As you can see, you've been just provided with both IMEI numbers assigned to your Huawei and also with serial number. Click on OK to go back. And the second method is a bit longer. You will open both numbers through the settings. So you have to access the settings at first, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and select System. Now go to the About phone, and here you can locate IMEI number, and if you will go to Status, you can also check what your serial number is. So that would be all. So you can quickly and easily locate both numbers, I mean IMEI and serial number. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.